I will insert all my variables, which are MMR vaccine and autism. I will change my question to an etiology question because I'm looking for harm, and I will see all my results in the advanced to check if we got mesh terms. For MMR vaccine, I did get the mesh term, and for autism, I got autistic disorder mesh term. So now I will go to the mesh database. And look for possible other mesh terms that have been missed. I will insert MMR. Okay, so I have only one mesh term, which is the one that was chosen in my search. I will not choose any subheadings at this point. I will not focus, and I will keep it as exploded. And there is nothing underneath it, so it will not make any difference. My second mesh term is autism. Let me check for other mesh terms. Great, I have two. I have autistic disorder, which is not the one that is chosen, and I have autism spectrum disorder. I will go check the first one, autism disorder. This is really the definition that I want. I will not choose subheadings. I will not focus. I will keep it exploded, but there is nothing underneath. Anyways. And we have autism spectrum disorder. This is the definition. I will not choose any subheading. I will not focus, and I will keep it exploded. And in fact, we do have subject mesh terms underneath it, which is this mesh term. So I can either just take this directly or include them both. This will not cause any difference, so I will close the autism disorder mesh term because it's included here. I will take this exploded, add to search builder, autism disorder, copy this here, and go back to my advanced search. I will include my mesh terms, autism spectrum disorder exploded not focused with MMR mesh term, and combine them with and, search for the results. I got 400 results. I will take it to the clinical query. I got 111. I will insert a limit for age because I'm looking for children. Child birth to 18 years. I got 81 results, which is a relatively big number. So I will go back and try to focus my question further. I will insert changes to major and change this to major. And I will search this with the limits. I got 44 results. If I'm short on time, this is still too much, so I will go back to the mesh database and choose subheadings if relevant. So for autism spectrum disorder, we have drug effects, and we have chemically induced. I feel like these are relatively related to my search. I will focus, and I will not explode. Add the search builder, and for MMR, I will do the same thing. I will check for subheadings that are relevant. Toxicity and adverse effects. I will focus. Exploding and not exploding does not make any difference at this point. I have combined them with and. I will take this back to the clinical query. I got only one result. So I will keep this exploded. I got 17 results, which is a good number. I check them. I limit to my age because age is important. I got 14 results, which is a great number for me to screen and get my answer. Thank you.